Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with CodeSandbox for testing UI components quickly, easy tutorial step by step clearly. In the top right corner, click on the sign up button. You will see options to sign up using your Google account, GitHub, or email. Choose your preferred method and complete the sign up process. If you select Google or GitHub, follow the prompts to authorize CodeSandbox. For email sign up, fill in your details and create a strong password. Once your account is created, log in to your CodeSandbox dashboard. Next, click on the Create Sandbox button located on the dashboard. You will see various templates. Select the template that fits your project needs. After selecting a template, you will be directed to the Sandbox editor. Here, you can quickly start testing UI components by adding your code. To add a new UI component, locate the Files section on the left sidebar. Click the Add File button to create a new file for your component. Name the file appropriately, such as mycomponent.js. Write your UI component code in the newly created file. Be sure to import any necessary libraries or dependencies you will need. You can preview the changes in real time on the right side of the editor. To test your component, make adjustments to the code as needed. Use the built-in console for any debugging purposes. Once satisfied with your UI component, save your sandbox. You can share your work by clicking on the Share button at the top. Copy the link provided and share it with your team or collaborators. This allows others to view or edit your sandbox effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.